Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if Facebook crashes on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Facebook and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. Here if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to rest your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again, so just simple rest your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your Facebook app, so just go to search tab, in search tab just right here, Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.